Joining us from Gilbert, Arizona, trial attorney Byron Brown is with us, and in Long Beach, California, civil rights attorney Joseph Lowe. Great to have you both here. What am I missing here, Byron? Recusal is you've got some sort of a conflict of interest. Let's start here. The case doesn't even exist yet. It doesn't exist. How can you recuse yourself from a case that doesn't even exist?
You can't, and that's the problem. Like, I'm assuming that senator is most likely a Democrat, most likely isn't a fan of Trump, and what he's trying to do, I believe, is poison the well before the well is even harvested, meaning he's trying to get her to commit to say, hey, listen, the person who's elected you to the Supreme Court, if there's any issue with his reelection, we want you to recuse yourself. The only reason he can be saying that is because he's with Biden and he doesn't like Trump. And it's funny because any other judge-elect to the Supreme Court, if you go back in history, no one's faced the scrutiny that the judges that have been elected by Trump. And this is all political. Judge Coney Barrett is sticking to her morals and her ethics, and I love it. She's not getting angry, and she's answering everything very politely, and she's answering it correctly. You can't recuse yourself for something where you don't even know the facts or circumstances involved. She doesn't know the law, and she'd be doing a disservice to her sister and brethren who are already in the Supreme Court, because part of that, as she articulated, is counseling with them and seeing what their opinion is. And the idea is we put all of these Supreme Justices together and they make a decision about whether someone should be recused or not. And we need to trust the process. This, backyard politics, I want to call it, is confusing everything. And I believe Judge Barrett is someone that should be in the Supreme Court. And I think the answers to all her questions are very polite and very on point. She's a very intelligent lady.
Yeah. All the justices are really smart, and you got to respect that. Joseph, there's got to be a conflict of interest. I mean, the conflict can't be that you are nominating